My name's Michelle.
Michelle, okay. Michelle what?
My name's Michelle. You don't need to know my last name for
Oh,
what?
then you shouldn't be here.
Okay, thank you.
You shouldn't be here.
Okay, thank
Because
you.
you don't have a
Okay, I'm the only one working right now. All
Yeah,
right,
but
and my
with that
person's on a
attitude,
break.
with that
Goodbye,
fucking attitude, you had a
goodbye,
fucking attitude.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Wow, you
Leave
shouldn't
my
be
store.
here.
I'll call the cops.
Yeah,
What
call
are
the
you gonna
cops.
do? I will.
I want to hear.
I
Yeah.
will.
Because the way you acting, the way you
Okay, what
treat
are
the
the cops
customer,
gonna do to me?
the way you
But
treat
they'll
the
make
customer.
you leave.
You don't treat the customer like that.
Goodbye.
You don't.
Goodbye.
You fucking ass, fucking fat ass.
Yeah, that's why you're not getting no food though. This is everything for you, Mom. And I have yours coming right now, okay? These two are yours, the Jumbo Jets. Were you with him?
Yeah.
You can please leave. Please leave.
Well, I
Or I'm
wasn't.
gonna call the cops too.
Okay, I already got you anyways.
Okay?